When there's just one and it starts with a sound, like a cat, a frog, a tree on the ground. For consonants, it's easy to say. A is the word that leads the way. A and the, let's sing it right. A for consonants, clear and bright. A and the, so easy you'll see. Learning articles with you and me. When vowels come first, like a E-I-O-U, U's and before them, it's simple to do. Like an apple, an igloo, an elephant too. And before vowels, now that's your clue. And the, let's sing it right. And for vowels, shining bright. A and the, so easy you'll see. Learning articles with you and me. Something special, one of a kind, use the four things you clearly find, like the sun, the moon, or the tallest tree. The makes it clear for you and me.